Good afternoon, everybody. It's about 1 o'clock in the afternoon, December 12th, 12/12/22. Nice sunny day here in Orland today. It's been really cloudy and been getting a little rain. Right now it's just chilly. It's about 48 degrees. I think that's about 8, 10 maybe centigrade Celsius, I forget which. It's a Monday. Pretty nice day, pretty calm. Well, the purpose of this video, in October, my birthday rolled around at the end of the month, and I got to thinking to myself, you know, you haven't given yourself a birthday gift in quite a few years, so I started trying to think of something that I could give myself, something that I wanted, and not really something I need, but got some traffic coming here. Traffic on this road can go pretty fast sometimes. 45-mile-an-hour speed limit here, but anyway. So my birthday rolled around, and also I'm expecting here soon in the future to get a visa for Emmy, my girlfriend in the Philippines, and I was hoping that, or I was thinking that when she gets here, she's going to need something to drive, and I like old cars, and so I went on the internet, and I was looking for a Studebaker Avanti, about a 62 or 63 or 64, and I got involved in a couple of auctions, and that Studebaker Avanti is just too expensive for me. I bid on one auction up to $25,000, and when I finally dropped out, and this was in the last minutes of the auction, it jumped right up to 33 in about 6 minutes, and that's what it went for, 33 or 33.5, something like that. So I kept looking, and I finally run onto this car. This is a 1962 Studebaker Hawk Gran Turismo. And this is a two-seater. Little coupe. I've been here polishing up a little bit. It came here from Massachusetts, and it was filthy when it got here, so I've been trying to clean it up a little bit. But this car, when it rolled off the assembly line, was a 4-passenger, 2-door hardtop. Meant to compete with the Ford Thunderbird and the Lincoln Continental. It was a kind of a little luxury car, but somewhere along the line, somebody chopped about 18 inches out of this car and turned it into a two-seater. It was originally a full-size car, but this is a resto mod. The front of this car is a 1962. Chassis is 1959. Quarter panels here are 1959. Trunk and this roof glass here in the back is from a 1964. This car actually looks like it came out of the factory, like it was a prototype. Really a nice little car. Whoever did this did a pretty good job. And this car is just gorgeous inside. It's got a few scratches, not many. I see the paint is cracking here across the roof. This might be where they married this rear window to this 1962. This probably come out of a 64 or 60. Yeah, 64, because that was the last year they made them. But that's not a 62 window. So I think this rear trunk area up to just forward of the glass is 1964. It's got other little intricacies to it. These are off of a 1959. This is off a 1964. All of the parts on this car are all Studebaker. I don't believe anything was fabricated. It was just put together from about 5 different model years, I think. But this thing really is a novel. I'm sure that it's the only one like it in the world. This definitely truly is a one-of-a-kind car. But I am really pleased with this. This baby fires right up. Look at this instrument panel. It's like being in an aircraft. All toggle switches that operate everything. Factory air conditioning. Looks like a add-on, but it's not. Studebaker in 64. Put under the dash, you can see here, air conditioning by Studebaker. So this car really is unusual, and it really is a beauty. Whoever built this car and whoever's owned it in the past has really taken good care of it. So it's powered by a 289 Studebaker V8 4-barrel carburetor. It's got a 3-speed platform transmission with electric overdrive. And let's take a look in the trunk. Look at this. Isn't this sweet? I don't know if you can see this on camera, but this is all nicely carpeted back here. Trying to get the water spots off of this thing. I knew there was a reason I never owned a black car. But check this out. I'm going to have to put this camera down. Hang on. There we go. Oh, this baby opens hard. Didn't get much with this car. Got some beautiful Studebaker floor mats. Got this picture. This is what this car looked like originally when it came out of the factory. And this is, what's it say about this car? It doesn't say what year this is. I think this is a 64 because of the roof line. Pretty nice. Pretty nice car. And this is all new carpet back here. The car was really well done. Really well done. As a person who's restoring that pickup over there in the shop, it's taken me 5 years already, and I'm about half done. It must have taken somebody a good amount of time to come up with this design and gather all the parts for this and get it put together. Okay, well, I just wanted to, I guess, gloat over my new find, and I want to share it with y'all. I don't have license plates or insurance on it yet, so I'm not driving it, but I sure am dying to get on the road out here and see what this baby will do. It's supposed to be pretty quick. Okay, this is Farmer Glenn from Orland, California. Beautiful day here today. Love this car. Absolutely love it. Okay, everybody. Merry Christmas, everybody. Over and out.